Kosovazar Beach does not stop the tourists from enjoying the monsoon rain. Kosovazar Beach is not stopped even by the having a monsoon rains. Local and foreign tourists are enjoying the sea. In spite of having rains, tourists continue to enjoy that right way, and daily activities such as horse riding, beach biking and beach walk continue. The longest beach in beach wash is a tourist destination, various events and tourists enjoy the serenity of the beach. Journalist Jiku said even if it rains, today's beach environment is a very beautiful and I feel good.
এটাকে বলে প্রকৃতির একটা মন মুগ্ধকর পরিবেশ, এটা মানুষকে প্রশান্তি এনে দেয়।